advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so by clicking the subscribe button and join the fam, guys. Join the family. Share this video if it's helpful and if you like it, and then give it a big thumbs up. Here's the hair I'm using for this video, and it's from Lumiere hair sent through FedEx. I received 4 bundles of Malaysian virgin hair, all in 26 inches, and then 20 inches of a lace frontal. This human hair density is really full, and they do have different other type of hairs. They have short, they have coily, and different other type of hair in case if you are interested. The hair is so sleeky, and it came with a stockings cap. So like I said before, the inches is 26 inches. Really love this frontal. The pattern, like the pattern of the frontal is really cool. And then the baby hairs, the hair is already pre-plugged with baby hairs. Here I'm just applying the bleach to the knot of the lace frontal, and after application we just wrap it with the foil paper and keep it for a while, about 30 minutes or thereabout, 20 to 30 minutes. I was attending to a customer and I totally forgot to wash the bleach out, and the knot over bleached. So what I did to correct that was just to get a dye, and this is the dye that I'm using to correct the over bleached parts. In this dye and the mascara one, apply the dye just close to the knot of the frontal, and then I'm doing it very gently and very carefully so that I won't have to like go back again and start bleaching the knots. What I'm doing is just to use a tail comb, then take a little portion of the hair and apply the dye using a mascara one, and carefully applying that. After application, we just wash almost immediately with shampoo and conditioner, and then allow to air dry. That was all I did to turn back the color of the hair. That's to return back the color of the hair. And for the dye, I didn't leave it for too long. Like I said before, just wash almost immediately after application. I'm just making it into a frontal wig, and you guys have seen me do this countless times. I have a video on that, a detailed video. We'll leave it in the description box below. Sewing in the frontal first, and then after that we'll sew in the 4 bundles. And yes, I used all 4 bundles on the wig, and the hair came out so beautiful. Want the hair to be all straight and sleeky, so I decided to use a flat tonga to straighten it better. But before doing that, I used a hair protector to sprayed it on the hair just to protect the hair from the heat, and then I started straightening it. just showing you guys that I added elastic band off camera to make it so easy for me to lay it down on my head. So here I'm trying the hair first on my head, just so that I can easily cut off the excess lace in front of my head, and as I'm cutting it off, I'm actually following the pattern of the frontal hair. For installation, I'm doing the stocking scalp method, and I do have a detailed tutorial video. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. And lest I forget, all the details of this hair, the discount code, where to get it, their Instagram page, I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below in case if you are interested, you can go and check it out. They do have other hair. Using got2b glue just to melt down the lace, and I'm also using this mini hand dryer just to dry the glue a little bit on a very low heat. Just gently laying the hair and then adding little pressure to it, placing it exactly where I applied the glue. The final look, really love the hair. The texture is fab, and for the fact that it doesn't shade at all. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe if you haven't, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck.